Hi, short sharing time. So if the fruit is like this, the mulberry plant is like this one, I can pick it up and eat it. This one, as you can see, part of it still reddish, so it's not okay. The rest is color pink or slightly white, so I can still eat it, but I can eat this one. So let's pick it. Ta-da! I'm gonna pick it now before the birds start picking it. Ta-da! There it is. Ta-da! Here it is. My first. Tastes so sweet. I just wish it would have more fruits. Tastes so good. Anyway, that's the short sharing video. I'll see you guys next time.